Hi, how are you, vlog world? I haven't vlogged in such a long time. My bad. My bad. In case y'all haven't seen the barrels behind me, I'm in Jamaica. And if you didn't know that, that means you haven't been keeping up with me on my social media. Yeah. Today, okay, yeah, today I'm gonna go see my little cousin. He has born into the world, and I'm excited. And yeah, you guys are gonna come with me. So, to take a view, this is my view. Well, it's not a good view, just bushes. All of this is family, plus that tree right there is the ackee tree. Oh, ackee ready too. I could carry some back up. There's some more houses up there. Yeah. Red hair don't care. Yeah, red hair don't care. I'm not gonna put on any makeup because right now it's just too hot for makeup and my face is like trash. Like, look at my face. Bump here, bump here, bump. You know what it is? It's heat rash plus it's mosquito bites. Yeah, but that's alright. Outfit of the day. Okay, outfit of the day. I don't know where I got this black tank top. I think it was from Zara. I got this from Urban Planet. My pants, I got it from Urban Planet. My hair is from my hair collection called Slay K collection. It's on IG. Yeah. So today you're just gonna follow me on this journey. Thank you. Change this for me. Thanks. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let me go on the next side.
See, I'll tie up your head. Go ahead and grab it.
Yes.
Yo, then take up back a Duppy.
A Duppy.
I say no Duppy a hearse. Ever. Right. The man, the cold man. Yeah. Hey, man.
Barry!
I don't have to say Duppy ain't good.
Wait.
My bamboo.
Oh! But there are running.
Boy, right down here. But them left the body.
I think I'm right and they said I cannot do it. I think I'm all right after. Yeah, I think I'm best because there's something for you now and we have to clear road. I have so.
You know what happened, man? You know what happened, say?
I want to touch up the leaf.
Oh, I thought they found a body.
But I see everything done for till me see the police gone.
You know that's man.
I'm good.
Sign this.
Yeah, we're about to find out whatever. But you want to look like a Westmoreland where they come from.
So how we reach over point that this side
I
there?
know when you say Papa, but in the one car too, you know.
I want to hear
In
you.
the one black car, one Carolina run go a cold.
What if he they come up the hill?
No, but remember say if you lick the car, they say no. When you go cross where the road.
Duppy run away. And say one-stop driver.
When you go back in our next verse, so I fret him. He said the hearse going to turn over with him again. Right, that's the vehicle when turn over with him. See, I'll dig out right just right as I turn over with him again. She have a good little jump. Remember so when they go to funeral now? Drink hard and then jump. Yeah, Duppy not even busy with them funeral. Me and the driver come and see one casket they come back to a pan. I'm going to make a sight is and make it gather. What we do? We can't make it come look up in a bit. Just a sight.
What if
Suck, 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 suck.